We are learning how to do the Star Stitch Part 2. And if you want to create something beautiful while you learn, go check out my Etsy page where you can download this beautiful armchair pattern using the Star Stitch. Let's get started.
When you finish the end of your row, you're going to have one stitch left. In this stitch, we're going to do a half double crochet. So if you haven't seen my part 1, make sure you go and watch part 1 of the tutorial on how to create the Star Stitch. So once you finish this half double crochet, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to turn your work around so that the back side is facing you. Now you need to look for the back of these stars, and it's a little bit difficult to see, but you're looking for that sort of round shape here with the hole in the middle. So there's the second one there with the hole in the middle, and the third one here with the hole in the middle. You're going to do 2 half double crochets into that hole in the center of the star. So put your hook through, half double crochet, and repeat that. So there's 2 half double crochets in each center of the stars. So we'll finish off that second half double crochet and then repeat that all the way along the row, going into each of the centers of the stars. When you've completed the last star, you should have one final stitch left in the row. Here you're going to do 1 half double crochet just to finish off the row. So let's do that half double crochet. And then once you finish this, that's the second row complete, and you need to do 3 chains to set yourself up for starting the first row again. When you repeat the first row, go into the second chain from the hook and follow my Star Stitch tutorial part 1 for the instructions.
Make your own armchair caddy using the Star Stitch pattern available in my Etsy.